Cabin crew to your sets for takeoff. Confirm cabin clearance. Thank you.
Smoking, including e-cigarettes and consumption of alcohol, is prohibited by law. Non-compliance is a punishable offense and will be reported to the authorities. Smoke detectors in lavatories will alert the cabin crew immediately. In the unlikely event of a water landing, take the life jacket placed in a pouch under your seat and slip it over your head. Secure the strap around your waist with the buckle. Pull the red tabs or tab to inflate or blow into the manual inflation tubes or tube. The life jacket should be inflated just before leaving the main exit doors. In case of evacuation through an over-wing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. Tampering with or removal of the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and a punishable offense.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए सरकारी नियमानुसार विमान में किसी भी सुरक्षा उपकरण आपातकालीन निकास या विमान प्रणालियों का अनुमति बिना या जान उपयोग करना वर्जित है। ऐसा करने पर सरकारी कार्यवाही या फिर उड़ान में विलंब हो सकता है। आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। Request attention please. Regulations strictly prohibit any unauthorized or unintentional use, tampering or damaging any safety equipment, emergency exits or aircraft systems. Tampering may cause regulatory action and delays as a result. We thank you for your cooperation.